Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. Today we'll be taking a look at this digital alarm clock. Here's the branding for it. The reason I wanted this alarm clock was because it had two USB ports here. If I'm going to occupy a AC port that's really meant to charge my smartphones, my tablets, well, might as well plug this in, then I get two additional ports. Let's open this up. First, we got a getting started guide. If you want to read any part more detail, feel free to pause the video. So it looks like there's also a battery backup option. Oh, they even got instructional videos here too. And I can set multiple alarms. Wow, there's actually quite a few options here. I don't think I've ever seen an alarm clock that supported 3.5mm connection. This will be interesting. I don't live too far from the city, so the FM radio, that'll come in handy too. Here's the power cable, proprietary type of connection. It inputs at 100 to 240 volts, outputs at 5 volt, 2 amps. Card, and here's the alarm clock. On the top, we've got a dial and a snooze, volume controls, radio time sets, alarm 1, alarm 2, sleep. Here are the USB ports. Battery compartment is on the bottom. 3 AAA batteries. On the back, we got a speaker. We can set the alarm for every day of the week, just weekdays or weekends. Adjust between military time or AM PM. Temperature Celsius Fahrenheit adjustment. Another alarm adjustment. A dimmer. Here's the 3.5mm audio port, and here's the power port. Plug this in. It's plugged in. I'm turning on my power switch. Alright. Holding down the time. Let's see, what time is it right now? 8 p.m. I'd say 8:49. Oh, what day is this? Thursday. Alright. Temperature sensor too. Initially I thought this was just the antenna, but I guess it can also function as a temperature sensor.
So our next question is, how many black people actually are targeted for police use of force? So what's up with the gap?
The audio quality for the radio is pretty good. I'm just currently cycling through different types of alarm sounds. But then number 6, that's using the radio.
That's unfair.
That's the audio
but it
for
doesn't
alarm.
really tell you how much.
Here's the most classic one. While we're waiting for the alarm to go off, I'm just going to plug in. Just charging my smartphone. A lot of times I just keep one phone by me just because I just have one charging port. But now I can plug my other phone in. I'm gonna turn off the lights in this room. And here I'm just gonna turn the dial. The alarm went off. His snooze here. The room is pretty dim right now, but this dial allows me to adjust the brightness. Having a brightness dial is nice, but there's also a lot of features in this. I don't know why they didn't just add like a auto dimming when it's at night and make it brighter when it's in daytime. It's not sliding around on the surface because of the 4 non-slip pads. I like this. This was sent to me for review. It cost about $26 off Amazon. I'll place a link to this in the description below. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to contact me.